Good afternoon, everybody. Wright Inspector here. We're doing another new build inspection. We do these quite a lot. This builder likes to do these new high efficiency heat pump water heaters, where a standard water heater is a simple electric heating element with nothing to go wrong and cost about $600 at Home Depot. This bad boy here cost over $2,000. It has compressors, fans, thermostats, all kinds of computerized controls. It may save you some money over the long run if everything works properly. This one is brand new. It's already got an error code, ECC, which I looked up, means compressor failure. Right out of the gate. So, sometimes new, fancy, efficient is good, but other times it may not be worth the trouble. So if you're buying a new build, call the Wright Inspector. Let's make sure everything works properly. Have a great day.